Good morning, guys. Today we are back at the New York State Fair for a part 2. My main focus today is to try foods that come highly recommended that you try here at the New York State Fair.
And for me, I'm gonna do a $20 challenge. I'm gonna see how far $20 will get me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
So our first stop today was at Bosco's at the fair. They are famous for their breakfast burritos and breakfast pizza. Unfortunately, they did not have breakfast burritos this morning, and I wasn't feeling pizza today. So I got the next best thing, which is an egg, cheese, and bacon sandwich on an English muffin. Not bad. I believe the sandwich was $5. It's pretty good.
So up first on my $20 challenge, I got a freshly made donut. It was only $1, so I'm not expecting much. It's a cake donut with cinnamon sugar on it. Very good. I don't like cake donuts that much, but it's pretty good. So we're at the Ashley Lynn Winery food truck stand, and we're gonna try some wine slushies, and they're free. So that helps me on my $20 challenge. This is the Blue Diamond. We're gonna try the Blue Diamond first. It's pretty good. This one is the strawberry lemonade. Yeah, that one's my favorite so far. And then this one is the sangria, blackberry sangria. That one's pretty good too, but I think my favorite's the strawberry lemonade. Here at the New York State Great Potato booth, and we're gonna get a baked potato for $1, and then a topping is 50 cents each. I'm gonna get cheese to keep me right at $1.50. So I got my baked potato for $1.50, and then this was slushy was $1. So we're all in at $2.50 right now, and then the donut from earlier brings us to $3.50. So we're doing good. Hot pepper for $1, so let's see. I'm not usually a spicy kind of person. That's more Gabby's thing, so let's give it a try. It's like just a jalapeno that's grilled, essentially. It's not bad.
So we came out to JJ's, home of the spicy chicken riggies here at the State Fair. Let's give them a try. And if you didn't know, chicken riggies is actually I'm not sure if a central New York thing or just a New York thing in general. I don't taste any spice in them. I mean, they're not bad. Oh, that was a better bite.
So I got myself a sweet tea. Now I'm down to $11. It was $3. $11 to go.
We stopped at Toss and Fire and we got the peach cobbler pizza. It's a fair exclusive pizza. It's topped with peaches, powdered sugar, and drizzled icing. So let's give it a try. It was $16. I hope it's delicious. Oh. It's pretty good. It's different, but it's good.
So I'm gonna get a slice of pepperoni pizza. It's $6, and that's gonna leave me with $5 left. Thank you. So there you go. So we actually spent 50 cents on milk, 25 cents each. Asher got some regular milk, I got some chocolate milk, but we got it off camera, and we're left with $5. I think we're gonna call it a day at $5. I think that's a win. So as always, thanks for watching.